click.
Sorry.
You're wrecking my bubbles.
Click, click, click,
Sorry.
click, 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 click.
Oh, stop it. Stop it. Don't do that.
What are you doing? Blowing bubbles with spit?
Yeah, it's
That's
gross.
fun.
Make the clicky noise.
Click, 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 click.
Brad, I can't do it right.
Go to sleep, guys. Go to sleep.
I'm not asleep.
Okay, we're done. That was a weird face I made. Where's your belly?
No, that's my boob. That's my rib cage. No, that's definitely my boob.
What are you looking for?
Stomach. Oh, you kind of bent.
It's called a spine.
Stop. No. Your spine's on your back.
Yeah, but the spine is the reason you can bend.
Oh. Do that face one more time.
I'm Darth
Darth
Vader.
Vader over here.
Darth Vader. Okay, count again.
I need to take a shower.
Go do it.
I think I've been saying that for like...
Go do it.
Underwear. We
Go do
have
it.
underwear.
Go do it. Go do it. Go do it. Go do it.
We want Laura.
I'm falling, I'm falling.
Yeah.
Stop the video, please. Don't.